Okay, guys, this is a part two of it. Please, guys, don't be offended because I cannot turn the camera out with the video. I don't know, but I know I will learn all those soon. But let's be managing now for now. Let's be managing how I do my things for now. Okay, so for the past 2 weeks now, like I said, I have been taking only this BTC USD, and it, I'm making some loss and some profit on it. So let's just see how I am be doing, and how far I have gone with it. As you can see, here's my watch list, and this is the video that this is the pairs that I normally take. But I fell in love with this BTC USD and this gold. But I'm a bit scared about gold because I don't really like the way gold move, the volatility on it. But this one is a bit very more comfortable for me. So let go in and see what I have been doing. So after I check in this BTC USD, so normally I first come to my daily. Sometimes I go to weekly to see how far, to see if it's a down trade or an up trade, which is to check the trend. Then I notice it's a down trade. It's an uptrend. Sorry, it's an uptrade. Then I do my normal marking. I'm not here to show you how I analyze, or no. What I'm here to show now is what I have been doing on it, and how far I have come on it. So let's go to 15-minute time from where I take trades. 15-minute time. As you can see, to show you that I'm still a very beginner, you all can see that my chart is so much with many lines, to show you that I'm still a beginner. I before it my mentor and smart money rich and Jude. Their chart will not be so much with many lines, but I know I'll get there someday. It will just take time, but I'll get there someday. Okay, so let's go to 15-minute time for where I normally take my trades. Okay, so I have deleted some. Okay, so I think from here, I think from somewhere here, I took this buy. Normally I took this buy, but it's obviously kicked me out before going. So okay, this is the one I have now. So this is the last trade. That I took yesterday. This was my trade yesterday that I took on a USD card. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This video will not be so interesting because I have deleted the ones that I took last week. The ones that I took, the loss, because I make some loss last week. But I think it's on my Meta 5. But I will drop the screenshots. So this is the one that I took yesterday. I took after seeing this W pattern. I waited for it to form this W back pattern. I waited so long. So when the market was somewhere here, then I took my buy from here, hoping to get here. So I was watching it, and before I go into this trade, I told myself that the only thing that will make me to jump out of this trade is either hit my SL or my take profit. And at the same time, I realized that you don't just allow your trade to hit your SL when you know that once price get to this place, it might retrace back. It might retrace back to your SL after making some profit. You just close. You don't just wait for it because you say that you want price to must hit your take profit or SL. No. Once you see that this is another support level or another resistance level that will make price, when price get there will be a reaction of pullback. The pullback might come back to take away your SL. You don't need to allow it to come back. You just close there. You just close there. It doesn't mean anything. The only thing that will make you to hold to your SL or hold to your take profit is when the market has not even got to one risk reward to one, or has not moved far before you can close. As you can see here, the market has already moved the market has already moved to almost to TP, and I see this rejection candlestick, then I focus more on it. When I come to the left side, I see that this place here was also serve as I was also serve as resistance. Do you understand? It was also serve as resistance. Then that's why I close. I talked after pushing back, going up. Then as it go up, this is where I close my profit. That place that my this hand is now, this is where I close my profit. So I, and this trade, I followed my trading plan well. I follow my rules, I follow my discipline well. So this is a good trade for me. This is the best trade I have ever taken since this week, since this month, since I started this my profit challenge. This is the best trade I have ever taken. This trade is the best trade. This one here is the best trade I have ever taken. So probably today now I saw another opportunity after I closed my trade. You see what market has been doing. You see. So probably I wish I let this trade be. Maybe I would have been kicked out because I just want, because I said that you must reach my TP and I'll be hold. No, I would have been kicked out. So look at it here. Below after my stop loss here, look at where price get to before it start moving on. I would have been kicked out. So this is another I saw another opportunity. If you see where you see that this is a W pattern, if you guys see where you see that this is a W pattern, well, that, but it's not that good for me. It's not that good, not that as in, it's a bit somehow for me. So I don't want to see a high setup probability, a high setup opportunity before I enter. I don't just want to rush into trade. I don't just want to be rushing into trade like that. I don't just want that. Okay guys, do you understand? So probably let's wait and see what this will get. If it goes up, then I know, okay, and next time when I see something like this, I will enter into trade. But now I am looking out for gold. You see what gold is doing. You see what gold is doing. I have been waiting for this to come down. I see gold here, I enter gold here. I see gold this morning, I see gold here. I think this is a support level. This is a support level. So I think that this price will just form a W pattern here and buy and take away all this liquidity. But it break down, and I still hope for this trend line. You can see I'll wait for this trend line for price to hit this trend line, but it still break the trend line, and I waited for this one again, this support level, before I enter. I don't just want to enter after reaching I see a rejection candle. I don't just want to enter because I saw a rejection candle. I want a W pattern to fall, and probably now the W pattern has formed, but I won't still get into this trade until it break this trend line, retested it, then I might go, or I might just leave the opportunity like that, because I don't just want to be rushing into any trade. Since I make profit last year yesterday, I don't just want to be trading every day because any small opportunity I just know. I want to see opportunity that will say yes, this is a good opportunity that you should enter before I enter. I don't just want to be rushed into trade. Okay guys, so that's just it. That's the trade that I've been taking for the past 2 weeks now. I've made 3 loss. I think I will just remove all this thing and just leave it. No, let me just leave it. I have made 2 loss and I have made 3 loss and 2 wins. 3 loss and 2 wins, and all are following my trading plan. So some of them I'm a bit too early on the trade. Some of them I don't wait for it to get to my SL before I kick out. But once I see that this trade is probably going down, and it has, like example, this is a support level now. Once I see that this price has broken this place now and going down to I will just close, because it has no respect for Yegi. And before I close, I don't just close because one candle has broken and that candle has not closed. I close when the candle has closed. When this candle now has closed, now that's when I close my profit. I don't, because the candle can still go back. So that's it. That's it guys. I don't know how to turn this camera to be changing this camera, but I will do a research on it for a video editor that I can be using to give you more update. And soon as guys, I'll be posting on my Instagram and on my Instagram and my YouTube and my TikTok. I'll be posting on those 3 platforms. I'll be posting on those 3 platforms.